What's up, 9-Round Nation? Drew, the captain here, along with KOKT. She is a 9-round and 9-round now trainer extraordinaire. She's also been a Muay Thai student for over 9 years. Today we're going to go over the knee strikes, both the rising knee and driving knee. Katie is going to be explaining both of those knee strikes that you do at your local 9-round while I demonstrate. Katie, are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, let's rock.
So the rising knee is what we'll go over first. The rising knee is used on rounds 5 and 7. It's a knee that shoots out and up at the target. Drew, if you'll throw a rising knee real quick. Perfect. I want you guys to notice as he throws this, his toe is pointed down and he's keeping his heel close to his leg as that knee comes out and up. Drew, go ahead and throw one and hold it. We see here his heel is close to his leg, toe is pointed down as that knee comes out to the target. Perfect. Go ahead and throw another one. I want you guys to notice this too. His hip is shooting forwards as that knee comes up to get that full range of motion with that knee. Now, if you're gonna do a rising knee with the front leg, you can do it by just picking that knee up and shooting it towards the target. When you do this, you're consciously putting weight on the back foot so that you're balanced as that knee comes up. Now, once you're more prepared to add a little bit more footwork, you can actually try a switch rising knee. Go ahead and show us one, Drew. He'll switch his feet as that knee comes up. Now with this switch, he's getting that range of motion that he would get from the back leg. Now we'll do the switch really slow. With this switch, as he switches, he's still in control here and he's balanced before that knee comes up. A lot of members will do big, exaggerated switches and then not feel prepared to shoot that knee strike off. So show us one more time, Drew. He's balanced as that knee comes up. That looks perfect. Now the driving knee, we'll primarily use this knee on round 4 and 6. This knee is going to shoot straight forwards. Perfect. Our rising knee we did earlier went out and up. This one's going straight towards the target. I want you guys to notice that Drew is shooting his hips forwards as that knee comes up. And Drew, hold this one for me. His toe is still pointed down and his heel is still close to his leg as he lands that knee. Hands stay up the whole time. Now also, we're only using this knee from our back leg because this knee is all about power and getting that full range of motion.
Awesome, Katie. Well, that is some great information for those knee strikes, both the rising knee and the driving knee. Make sure that you take these tips into your 9-round.